Also, Mr. Secretary, due to our high veteran population and lack of a VA medical center other than a couple CBOCs that we have, providing prompt payment to our community providers through the Choice Act is critical to our success. I can tell you in Northeast Florida, we've had some serious issues with payment, and as a result, we've actually had facilities write letters that they are no longer going to treat veterans because their accounts receivable have gotten to be so enormous. And I know the Mission Act was designed to address some of that. Can you tell me how that's going forward?
Well, yes, sir, and you have hit on something that was stunning to me. The best example is actually what happened in Minnesota with the Mayo Clinic, a clinic that really began as the outgrowth of medical need after World War I. Mayo doesn't participate in community care any longer. What we have done is we have let the contracts for companies to take over the accounts for community care. Choice cannot exist, as you pointed out, particularly in the fastest growing veterans population in the country, which is Florida, unless we pay our small town doctors, our community hospitals and clinics. So we are on track with the Mission Act to have the 4 regions of the country and the Pacific Islands, which would be Region 5, to have those account procedures in place. Legacy payments will be taken care of first. A place like Florida, Texas, and Hawaii will probably be at the top of the list because of the size of the veterans population.
Thank you. And last question before my time runs out here. The Veterans Healing Veterans Program under Section 304 and actually Sections 301 and 303, which deal with, the getting doctors in and keeping them into the VA, good qualified doctors. Can you talk about those programs and how they're moving forward now after the Mission Act?
Yes, hiring veterans that have recovered from addiction as part of Veterans Healing Veterans has been a very slow process. And although we're making progress, really getting the right veteran that it ensures that they are well qualified to take on that role has been slow. I think the easier portion of the question to answer is really about retaining physicians and providers. We have done very well at both recruiting and retaining physicians, recognizing the fact that there are remote areas of the country that are difficult to reach. And in those remote areas, this is why we've dramatically expanded our telehealth services.
Thank you. My time has expired. I yield back.